Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to another episode. Dave Rodriguez here, one of the head traders inside the Alliance community. Quick shout out to everyone watching the video today. Definitely appreciate the support. Just make sure you guys mash that subscribe button on your way out if you guys have not already. All you newbie guys, all you newbie viewers, and those of you who've watched before, make sure you stay to the end and take advantage of the free ebook that we will be revealing. It is the cryptocurrency consumer guide that has all the best kept secrets and strategies, tons of facts and some key things you guys will need to know in order to make it in this market. So don't miss out on that. I'm not going to waste any more time. Let's jump right in. As we told you guys many times before, as Bitcoin dominance rises, it becomes way more risky and pretty much is assigned to not trade altcoins. People are running from the altcoins. Some are dumping too. Tether, as you can see, Tether went from way down the list all the way up here, even though all the FUD Tether has had with their banking and their issues with their audits. Still one of the top, still the top stablecoin with 1.8 billion circulating supply, 2.5 billion in volume. As you can see, we are at 55% Bitcoin dominance. Like I said, people, when they run from the altcoin market, they either stay in Bitcoin because they will actually lose less money by staying in Bitcoin instead of dumping and falling like the other altcoins will 2 or 3x, which Bitcoin just won't do that. So the safer play is so-called Bitcoin investment. They're dumping their money, they're keeping it in Bitcoin. Everybody else is running to Tether or back to fiat or some of the others down on the list here. True USD, USD Coin, that's Coinbase's, and their partners token, and then Paxos as well, all above $1, all stable, all doing what they're supposed to do for the time being. So with that said, let's jump over to the chart. We'll look at the 6 hour real quick. As you can see, we are still forming somewhat of, oh, I took that from the wrong spot here, somewhat of a downwards wedge here. As you guys can see, we have a downwards channel here. What I can see is the next level, as we talked about yesterday, being this $3,000 level. We'll just roughly put it in here. And I'm looking for a nice bounce off of this level. I'm looking for the buyers to show up here. So we're looking for the next target being 3,000 like we spoke about yesterday. But we want to come up and off this and want to head down this way. Now we might have a few candles that come down this way. We might have a spike that comes up and down. Then we may fill that wick in until we reach down back to. I think we'll see a little double tap in that area. But as you can see, we have a little wedge pattern here. Something that keeps happening in these downwards wedges. You see an attempt and then a failure. Just like here, fail, retest, fall, up, retest, down, retest, fail. And then we should see a break downwards here. I'm looking for a double bottom in this area. Even a double bottom like on a 12 hour would be pretty nice to see some action like that. Because as you see right now, we're kind of seeing a small double bottom here on the 12 hour in this area of $3,400. You see one bounce here, two bounce here, a rejection. It looks like we're going to reverse right off this channel wall and fall back to the downside. So what you want to look for is a fall and a break below 3,400. And a close down here. Now, if we get a close below 3,200, you're going to see 3,000 fairly quickly after that. And we're hoping to see a hold here, a retest, a double bottom, and break above this area, 3,400, before we start making this way up, you know, like a whole U right here. So let's see what happens. The other charts are looking the same way. Nothing's fairly different. You see this little double bottom here and a little wedge pattern as well. We've broken this low. We've made a home base here. I really think we're going to fall lower, so be on the lookout for that. Very few tokens have done anything. Very few coins have made any move. I've been watching Cloak Coin because it kind of made a move up. Tried to break out in the last 12 hour candle. Didn't make it. We got another one trying to break up and above 3,400 Satoshis. If we could make a home up here, it could be an entry, but I'll be honest with you guys, it's just not worth it. The Bitcoin dominance is too high. People are jumping in and out. Things are getting pumped and dumped, so stay away. A couple things to talk about, guys. Always secure your tokens in either a offline wallet or a hardware wallet. because $1 billion in crypto has been stolen in 2018, and that's not even counting December. I'm pretty sure it's not even counting um, last month, but who knows? So secure your stuff, guys. Make sure you don't have all of your funds and all of your investments and all of your portfolios stuck on these exchanges, because exchanges get broken to all the time. Your things that are supposed to be secure get broken to all the time, mainly through your email. So keep your email secure. Change your email, change your passwords every once in a while. Make them really, really hard if you don't, and keep them somewhere offline, because if they're online, people can get to them. So make sure you protect your crypto, guys. I use a Trezor. That's just my choice. There is a lot of other choices out there for you to use. So look them up, Google them, and check them out. More good news about Ripple. There's just been so much good news here and there. I mean, every day there's some more good news. Ripple Power Payments app becomes first blockchain payment app in South Korea. You guys know I'm hugely bearish on Ripple. I mean, hugely bullish on Ripple. And now American Express months ago said they didn't have a very good experience with them. But then again, they didn't do a very big test. Now they're doing very big tests, and it's just phenomenal, the stuff that they're seeing. They're going to start using the X current part of Ripple, XRP, and I just think it's going to separate itself. It's going to explode. It's going to be the first real, what I can say, use case for well, not the individuals, but for these huge corporations to actually put it in place and use it on a mass level, is what I was trying to say. So guys, keep your eyes on Ripple. Any of these low prices that we're at right now are gold mines. So keep laddering in buys if you can. Don't let the market scare you. XRP, Ripple, X Current, they're all rising stars. They've been rising stars. They've held number 2 for a long time. So keep an eye on XRP, Ripple, and X Current. So that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you keep an eye on Bitcoin and Ripple, as well as a lot of the other top tokens. Those of you who ran for fiat or ran for USDT, look for some entry points. Do not go all in. Ladder yourselves in. You know, buy here, buy there, as it keeps going lower, and you guys will see some success. So those of you who are brand new, look in the description below. So hit the subscribe button, hit that like button if you found some value. But you guys, most importantly, get that ebook. It's the bitcoinconsumerguide.com/YT. That is right there in the description below. So scroll down and click that button, guys. Don't forget to protect your crypto. And I will see you guys tomorrow on the next Bitcoin Breakdown.